Hey, it's Nick with Brinkley RV here to talk about some hidden features on the Model G lineup. Let's take a look. One thing you may not know about your Bauer wireless entry is it's Bluetooth capable. You can lock and unlock your door from your phone. Notice the large amount of room we have for this pass-through area. Sometimes things are a little bit longer than the normal, so we decided to put two bifolds in here. Open it up. We have magnets on top so it holds it nice and firm. And you have plenty more room. You have two areas that you can lift up to magnetize the top to give you more space. One thing I like to point out is we have the IQ gauge that you can look and see if your tank is full. The other thing that we've also done is if you get into a pinch, we've allowed you to be able to put a 20-pound LP tank in there as well as a 30 or a 40. With your Model G purchase, you will get standard Furrion backup camera, and it's also an observation camera. You also get a banded TPMS. You're going to have your owner's manual and your warranty guide as well. And inside this bag will have all your individual manuals, and it'll also have all your remotes for your TVs. Now that we're in the bedroom, I'm going to show you a few more hidden features. Inside the closet here, you're going to notice you have a cordless vacuum prep. There is a backer in the wall that you can utilize a magnet to find where the backer is, so you can mount your cordless vacuum, whether it's a Shark or a Dyson. And with your dresser top, it slides out. There's two little grooves here you can pull back, and you have a nice little hidden storage area inside here. Also something that you can get from your dealership would be an extender that's a bifold piece that would come in and it'd sit inside here to make it a full desktop. Inside the shower, we have a backer that you can put an aftermarket shower seat. To find the location of the backer, refer to the owner's hub. So now I want to show you how you can dim your lights in the Model G. We have three different types of dimmers on these units. So the first one is going to be on your control panel or on your Lippert One control app. When you get into lighting, you go to your ceiling light and you click on that, and then there's your brightness. So you just take it and drag down to whatever brightness you like and let go. You'll notice that some of our switches have sliders on the side of the switch button here. So you just slide that up and down and it'll dim your lights. One thing you may not notice when you walk into the coach is above the cabinets here, you see those antennas. That is TravelFi. That is an LTE router with a Wi-Fi extender. Another option that you can utilize for internet service would be our Vanguard 360 has Gateway that you can purchase separately. So if you don't like the TravelFi, you can go to the Gateway. And with Brinkley, we're always trying to optimize our storage space. So we've added storage here with magnetic closings. And you also have your 110 outlets with your USB and USB-Cs. And here at the entertainment center, we also have some storage that you can't typically see if you don't have these doors open. Once you close them, they kind of become hidden storage. You'll notice here this panel covers a hot and cold water hookup, so if you want to bring your washer and dryer from the bedroom to the garage, you also have that capability. One really neat feature about the Happy Jacks is it is an independent system, so what you can do is you can actually have both sides of your Happy Jacks down. You can have the left side up and the other side down, or vice versa.